Hey guys, today we're going to be making a face mask. Yes, do you have pimples? Do you have too much oil on your skin? Do you have breakouts? Then you want to watch this video till the very end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Calio. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I'm grateful that you're here and you keep coming back. Today's video, we're going to be doing a mask, a very nice hydrating, moisturizing, whitening clay and turmeric mask. So clay has the potential to absorb oil from your skin, and it can also prevent mild forms of acne such as pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, which are, acne that form when your pores are clogged with excess dirt and oil. And turmeric, on the other hand, has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help provide glow and luster to the skin. And it may also revive your skin by brightening out, its natural glow. I'm also using glycerol stearate and some emulsifying wax just because I want this to have that creamy effect. I want it to be smooth and creamy on the skin and also have that easy effect to wash off, so you don't injure yourself while washing it off. Okay, so let's jump right into the video. Now here is our oil. I'm using papaya oil because some people might have oily skin and we don't want to use heavy oil, so I'm using papaya oil for this, which is a dry oil. And then I went ahead to add our e-wax and our glycerol stearate into it, just the way you would do a cream base. So this is what we have so far. You go ahead to do your double boiling method just the way you would do your base cream to make your lotions. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I put up a new video. And then now I'm going to add my bentonite clay. You just basically add your ingredients one after the other. Now there are other clays that you can use. You can use any other clay. There are different clays for different purposes, and I'm using bentonite clay because I have quite an oily skin and I want to reduce the oil on my face. And I'm also using curling clay because it is smoother, it is softer, and it is milder. So if you noticed, I used more of the curling clay than the bentonite clay because, like I said, I have some sort of an oily skin. I'm in between, so I went ahead to use both clays. You can use other clays for whitening and all of that. So this is what we have so far. It is smooth, creamy, and beautiful. Now go ahead and add your turmeric powder and then mix thoroughly again. Now I'm going to add honey for some moisture, because as much as I want to take away oil from my skin, I don't want to take away the moisture on my skin. So I'm adding honey, which is also a humectant, to help draw moisture to my skin and give me that supple effect while also combating sebum on my skin. Now this is optional. You can go ahead and skip this part if you don't want it. I also added lactic acid because I want it to also have some sort of mild exfoliating effect as well, but this is totally optional. I decided that after I put the lactic acid in this formula, I decided next time I'll do it, I wouldn't put the lactic acid because I didn't like the texture of the clay after I added the lactic acid. So you can totally skip the lactic acid and just go straight on to adding your essential oils and you will be good to go. So here I am adding Lang Lang essential oil, bergamot essential oil. Just go ahead to add any essential oil of choice that has a nice fragrance, because I don't add any form of fragrance in my products anymore. So I use only essential oil. So you can use essential oil of your choice to get the results that you want, or the smell or fragrance that you want. Now I'm going to store this mask in this little container because this is a test and I like the outcome of the mask on my skin. But one thing I would not do is add lactic acid in the next formula. I don't know what I was thinking when I added that in my recipe, but next, just skip the, if you want, skip the lactic acid. It is okay to have it in there, but I just didn't like the texture that it gave the product. But you can totally add it if you want to have an exfoliating effect, or skip it if you don't. So here is what the mask, please bear with me. This is what the product looks like, okay? Beautiful on the skin, smooth. It just gives you a very smooth and beautiful feel. This is what my face looks like. It's beautiful. I'm loving it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.